students need to represent a three-digit number with hundreds, tens, and ones. For example, if you were given the number 341, we would want our students to be able to recognize that these are a hundred. So they would need three of the hundreds for 341. They're going to need 4 tens and 1. These can also be mixed up in order for the students to be able to recognize that this is their largest place value, their second largest place value, and their smallest place value in this number. Now, if we were looking at NBT 2, students need to know how to skip count by tens and hundreds in the standards. They also need to know how to skip count by fives, but in order to use our base 10 blocks, let's use our tens, for example, to show them how to skip count by 10. So we would use these. And show them a way to skip count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. They also have to skip count by 100. So we can use our hundreds block, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and so forth to 1,000. You can mix this up by starting at any number, saying that you have 50, start counting by tens, 50, 60, 70, 80, and so forth. Same thing with our hundreds. If we were at 300, what would come next counting by 100s? 300, 400, 500, and so forth. For NBT, we're looking at NBT 4, students have to compare three-digit numbers. Students can represent this using base 10 blocks. So let's say we had the number 452 and 340. We would want the students to represent 452, so they're going to take out their hundreds block, 4 hundreds in that number, 50, 5 tens for the 50, the 5 tens and 452, and 2 ones. Okay, this is representing their three-digit number, but they've got to compare it to another three-digit number. In this case, it's 340. So we would put out our 300 with our 4 tens in that number. And at this point, we would want our students to look at these numbers and compare them and see which one is greater. Now, they're going to look at their largest place value first. They're going to look at their hundreds. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds and 452. They have 1, 2, 3 hundreds and 340. So at that point, we would want the students to recognize that 452 is greater than 340 because it has more hundreds. Let's do another example with 320 and 420. Okay, we would want the students to represent 320 with 300, 2 tens, okay, there's 2 tens and 320, with 420, we have 400, and 2 tens, the same number of tens that we had in 320. So when comparing those two numbers, we see that 320 has 1, 2, 3 hundreds, 420 has 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. At that point, we would want the students to know that this has more hundreds than this number, which was their largest